and this is the hydroxy. There is nothing but what the types of the reactant molecule is nothing but what a glycol. So this is nothing but what a glycol. The starting reactant molecule is a glycol. To hydroxy group is there. It is reacted with what this is the aromatic. This types of the reactant species we are having. This is the aromatic acid is there. This is OH again here C double one OH. This is what aromatic acid. The name of aromatic acid is nothing but what a terthalic acid. इसका रिएक्टेंट का नाम है terthalic acid. This terthalic acid is reacted with the glycol, the reaction, and this is the example number 2 of the condensation polymerization. Here we have been discussed the first example, formation of this is nylon 6,6. Here the second one example is nothing but what glycol is reacted with terthalic acid. Again the condensation is takes place. It is nothing but what dehydration is takes place. यहाँ पे dehydration होगा, यहाँ से OH. So this is what loss of one hydrogen atom from here and OH from here. So the continuously reaction is takes place n times of the glycol, n times of the terthalic acid. Again the formation of what this oxygen atom is here. This is nothing but O. Again this CH2. How many times here we are discussing the part of this? How many types of the reactor? The oxygen this CH2 group is here. So there is a 2 CH2 group. यहाँ पे देखना है ये 2 CH2 group है. So I am writing this is the CH2. This is what CH2. There is a 2 CH2 group again which is bonded to this one of the oxygen atom here, one of the oxygen atom here from, and this is what I am writing this oxygen atom which is bonded to again this carbon atom. This ester linkage is formed. Which types of the linkage? Here ester linkage is formed. This is what so these types of the molecules I am writing here below to this what here this is the aromatic nucleus, and this what C what oxygen atom is C double bond O. These types of the formation of the reactants for the product is nothing but what this is what Dacron. As you can say this is the Dacron or Terylene. This we can say this is Terylene cloth. This Terylene material, Terylene polymer. So this is nothing but what the Terylene polymer or the Terylene polyester type. This is Dacron types of the compound. Terylene को ही Dacron कहते हैं. So this is the Terylene. इसका मतलब है कि Terylene में ester linkage ester types of the functional group present होता है. So this is one of the, so which types of the ester? It must be what aromatic ester. Here these are types of the aromatic ester is what aliphatic is here. So that is nothing but it's continuous. What you can say this sort of ester linkage. But यहाँ पे नायलॉन की हम बात करते हैं तो नायलॉन में अमाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है. अमाइड लिंकेज उसमें होता है, इसमें ईस्टर लिंकेज होता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट द सेकंड टाइप्स ऑफ द रिएक्शन. इट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट प्रिपरेशन और द सिंथेसिस ऑफ डैक्रॉन. एज यू कैन से द टेरिलीन. यहाँ पे टेरिलीन को फॉर्मेशन करना है. टेरिलीन सिंथेटिक को सिंथेसिस ऑफ द टेरिलीन पॉलीमर को डैक्रॉन पॉलीमर को यहाँ पे हमको सिंथेसिस करना है. हाउ द सिंथेसिस इज फॉर्म व्हेन द ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड द ग्लाइकोल इज फॉर्म. ग्लाइकोल इज रिएक्टेड विथ व्हाट terthalic acid. As we can say, this terthalic acid is reacted with the glycol. Here condensation is takes place. Loss of water molecule. Here loss of water molecule. The step is nothing but what condensation. इस step को condensation step कहते हैं. क्या किया? ये दो reactant molecule को combine किया. combine करते समय यहाँ से वो loss water का loss हुआ. Then whatever this dehydration, condensation is takes place and formation of the Dacron, formation of the Terylene. Such types of the again what reaction is nothing but a condensation polymerization. तो यहाँ पे condensation polymerization nylon again what Terylene. It is nothing but a very simple reaction. If we have this starting two reactant molecule है ना, more than two reactant species को यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया react किया. Whenever the two reactant species are condensed to each other, two reactant species are condensed to each other at the times this is nothing but a dehydration. water यहाँ से हमने क्या किया loss किया. जब water loss किया तो यहाँ पे हमारा formation product मिला. Which types of the product? This is what nylon 6,6 again what this is the Terylene. So this Terylene or Dacron nylon 6,6 are the example of condensation polymerization. Again another types of the example. So this third one example, so that is what we are having. Third example of condensation, melamine. कहते हैं मेला दिनों का आता है एक बार आके चला जाता है. मेलामाइन फॉर्माल्डिहाइड. So the starting reactant what is CH2O. So as we can say this CH2O HC double bond OH. So this is reacted with the melamine. So what is the melamine which undergo? This is the nitrogen, this is the symmetrical types of the compound. Here NH2 and this is the 3 times of the primary amine. So what happened here? This is the primary amine, this tertiary amine is condensed to each other. So whatever loss of water molecule, this is what formaldehyde. A starting reactant molecule, the formaldehyde is reacted with a melamine. It is reacted with a melamine. So this is the condensation takes place. So what happened? This is the symmetrical types of the compound is as it is. Here what? Nitrogen, here nitrogen, here nitrogen. So what happened here? This is the NH, this one is NH, this one is NH. Here what? CH2OH, here CH2OH, here CH2OH. So this is what are types of the intermediate is obtained. Again this is the polymerization is continuously takes place and the formation of the final product is that is what? This nitrogen is as it is. This is nothing but nitrogen bond and here formation of again this is the CH2O, this is nothing but what? The polymerization. This is the polymer types of the product is obtained. This is what are polymer types of the product is obtained. It is N times of the types of the product. It is nothing but what? Melamine. So what is the name? Melamine formaldehyde. तो इसको कहते हैं melamine formaldehyde. This types of the polymer is obtained starting from the formaldehyde and the melamine is condensed to each other. This the reaction is takes place. N number of formaldehyde is reacted with what? 3 moles of this is the NH2 primary amines and then formation of the type